You are running a business and you've decided that you might want to consider incorporating this business. Hello, I'm Robert Todd, and I'm here to answer the question, what are the different ways to incorporate a business? Well, first of all, this is going to vary from state to state, so you want to check the state in which you are going to be incorporated, what their laws say with respect to incorporating. Now, many times the Secretary of State's office in a state has available online and can sometimes provide you by mail the specific forms that you need to incorporate a business. If you're not comfortable doing that, there are also many services that provide corporate kits, which include a host of sample forms and options that you can use to incorporate your specific business. There is also the final option, and the one that we most often recommend, and that is to hire an attorney that is specialized in assisting individuals with the latter mechanism. We believe that your specific interest for your specific business can best be served. I'm Robert Todd, and thank you for watching.